recognize that many of you view people like me, those within the political system, as contributors, however unintentionally, to the shrinking space for dissent, free expression and association. Here, without trying to offer apologies, I offer perspective. It is important that neither I nor my party is burdened with blame divorced from context, especially when our leaders and workers alike have given their blood for the democratic cause. But let us first turn to the global perspective. Today we are living in an age of post-truth, where personal beliefs, emotions, narratives, generative AI weigh over facts. In this postmodern, post-truth age, we are slowly moving towards post-democracy, a condition in which democratic institutions, election commissions, parliament, courts formally exist, but substantive sovereignty, and in other words, all power to the people, has eroded. Across the world, the ideological foundations of liberal democracy are under siege. Populist narrative divides societies along lines of identity and fear. Anti-immigrant, anti-foreigner, anti-minority, and anti-liberalism generally are becoming political currency.